It's like, you don't care what you got some boom and doing that business. They just fight you. And them who are come now, none of them now do nothing greater. Say people, let me tell you something. The great part of Sound Clash history, it passed, it now come back. Can't come back, it done. You don't care how much sound are foreign and how much double now cut. Because none of them now cut a set of song where the new to ears a set of artists you are boss. Because first thing, the artists them where they are nowadays, the DJ them may attack. The DJ them, me not talk about the singer. The new crop of blood clot DJ are come. Saying, none of them can DJ from foundation with him. Trap them though. And none of them can change up a song and put two different lines in it. Saying, them can't change up a song and put two different lines in it. Skilly Ben can't kill no blood clot sound. Josh them can't kill no sound. None of them artists they way. Them like a DJ, you can't kill no sound. So the thing reach a stage where it bumbo clot stuck. And all I sound man we are cut up nowadays. And the same him recycle set a double now blood clot cut over every day. Saying, wanna talk to me now? When last, you have a dance, a clash dance, America, or Canada, anywhere clash.